Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So I'm loading up on this stock. I alert this stock in the VIP, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. This stock is, drum roll, please. Upstart, guys. Ticker symbol UPST. So, guys, as you know, we already made money off Upstart about a few weeks ago. This is a rinse and repeat, guys. Meaning you get in, you get out. And you want to get in there in the buy zone, the buy levels, which is now around the low 30s, anywhere at 31, 32, 33. That's a buy zone. 33 is a major breakout for Upstart. Once it broke above 33 and some change, it could go straight back up to around the high 30s, right around 40 bucks a share, guys. So that's exactly where that exit point would be looked at, right around the high 30s at 37, 38, 39, maybe even 40. Depends on you. Like I say, guys, always come up with your own plan and stick to it. Sometimes when you come up with a plan, sometimes you might have to break your plan due to the fact of the market conditions and what's going on and the nature, the senses of the whole, the whole vibe of the play. But anyways, guys, as you be more in and out of certain plays, you'll start to understand that more clearly, exactly what I mean on how sometimes you may have to break a rule and not stick to your plan thoroughly, but make sure you always have that plan in place, a guide, something to go by. So you already know, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at it, because Upstart definitely has the potential to shoot up hard. As we know, due to the economy, the market conditions, inflation rising, and that in fact making interest rates go to sky high levels, we know that a lot of people, due to the statistics of things, a lot of more people won't be willing to take out loans, because now when you borrow $10,000 instead of paying back $2,000, $1,500 on that $10,000 that you borrow, so in total you'll pay back $11,500 or $12,000. Now people interest rates is looking more like, borrow 10, I want back 5,000 on top of the 10. I want 15,000 back altogether. So that would scare a lot of people, and the statistics of things, a lot of people won't be taking out loans. But like I told you guys, the world will eventually catch up to itself, and inflation will be tamed, and people will be taking out loans just as much as they was before. But the thing is, even with the statistics being like that, the interest rates have spiked up, and more people theoretically wouldn't be taking out loans if it's costing more. But being for the fact that things is now higher, more expensive, people is running out of cash and capital way much quicker. People that's making over $250,000 a year, guys, is living paycheck to paycheck. So once they money runs dry and they get low on funds, regardless of how much you got to pay back your interest, your ass gonna be taking out a loan. You're gonna be taking out a loan regardless of how much you got to pay back, because you need the money. And so that's why I believe Upstart is going to come in and, benefit us, the shareholders, from people realizing, regardless of how much this costs, man, I'm going to need that loan. But that's a far outlook for Upstart, that information right there. I'm concerned with the price action of now. That's what we investing in. This getting in at the low 30s, getting out the high 30s, that ain't really got nothing to do with what I just said. This is strictly price action. This is what this can do and capable of doing without any fundamentals involved. This is just strictly price action, guys, what we're looking at for here. This get in, get out. And Upstart is definitely a company that, I will hold a few shares of going into a longer term aspect, because I do believe, people will be wanting loans and getting loans more than ever soon, guys, eventually. Because if we, they say we already in a recession and things keep getting as bad as they looking, people is going to be, at every bank, every loan company trying to get a loan, guys, to keep their family afloat during this madness. So you already know, guys, that's my opinion on it. You already know what to do. Like I say, you don't never invest in the stock just because someone is talking about it or mentioning or bringing it up. Make sure you understand the stock. Make sure you understand the company, and make sure, you see what I see. You see, okay, this is in the buy zone. Looking at the charts, okay, I see what he mean. This could be a sell-off point at 38, 39, 40. You just visualizing, understanding, getting what, if you can understand it and see what I see, then that may be a good investment for you. But some investments we talk about, some people, and I salute y'all for that, some be like, nah, I ain't messing with that one, Hayes, I ain't rocking with that one. And I respect that. I love it, guys, because we shouldn't agree on every single thing, and we ain't gonna disagree on every single thing. But as long as we all get the message at the end of the day. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.